by step. Very simple and easy. Get started by entering an email address. So, mantonetti@mchs.org. Enter. Choose a password. Now, I'd like your password to be, oh, there it is again. It's doing it again. So, enter a password. Site title. I don't know what your site titles is. Mine is ODYSSEUS apostrophe S. Nope, just apostrophe because it's more than one syllable. Fit Camp for Boys. Site type. I'm going to call this a business. I got to have a password. I'd like your password. Well, it can be whatever you want. But the best one to do is your first initial, last name, and then the number 1. So, all right. Hit enter on that. Now I need to select a theme. I just hit enter, went to the bottom of the page. It's going to tell me which ones I need to do now. So what do I want to do? Which one of these looks like a travel scene? Like a travel company would have. Third one here. This one here. Well, for my there's a number of different ones. There's all kinds of ones that you can choose, and you can scroll through. I'm going to go with this one. Okay, and it checks it in for me. It's spinning at the top, so it's still trying to let me in. Then you just need to scroll down and agree to the terms of service. I agree. Create my website. Now, this is the part here. I don't want a custom domain name, right? I want the one for free. So that's what I'm going to click on. I don't want to say this password. No, thank you very much. And now I just select a domain. So this is the one that I'd like you to do your first initial, last name, okay? First initial, last name, and 1. And it'll tell you whether that's available or not. If 1 isn't available, then do 2. If 2 isn't available, do 3. Okay? So I don't know if you can see that from where you're at, but it says Mantonetti1 is my domain name. It says it's available. So now I just need to create my website. I selected a theme and a subdomain. Free, free, free. And now the site builder comes up. Okay? And now you can view this tutorial if you wish, and it'll take you through some of the stuff. It's pretty informative. It's a good place. If you've never built a website before, it's a good thing to do. I'm not going to go through this whole thing. You can look at that if you like. All right? So you can drag and drop then what you need. So this is Odysseus' Fit Camp for Boys. This is the header. I can edit that if I want. And when I say edit, I can edit the text. All this stuff down here will tell me how I want to get it done. Okay. All right. Then it's just a matter of poking around here, guys. It's you don't want to publish because you're still working. All right. So I don't want to close it. But there's all kinds of things you can do. You know, if I want to change the font, right? If I want to add text, if I want to add pictures, I click on image. It's going to ask me what kind of image I want. I'll double click on that. And it'll, you know, I can look at my images, which are the stuff off of my computer. I can go to free images from things on Flickr and Creative Commons, or I can find one specifically that is online. That is, I can go to any picture, then I can then take that URL, insert it here, and then hit insert image. So I go to free images here. Key image is fitness. Great, there we go. That's what I want to use. Once it's in there, I can make it larger or smaller, increase the size within. Okay, in other words, I can then crop it. So there's all kinds of different things you can do. You can insert video, all right? Pages, right? So far I've got a home page, I got an about us, and I got a contact us. You guys need 5 pages. Your intro or home page, then your 3 subtopic pages, and then your final ordering page. So you may have to change the titles for these. So I go to the About Us page, and that's as simple as changing the title here, editing the header. Okay, I can edit what these are going to say. All right, you're going to do some experimentation. You're going to run around on this thing a little bit and see what you like. When you think you're done, you can hit preview. And again, that video that they have is very informative. There's lots of other videos on YouTube to help you through this. Okay? So far, that's what my piece looks like. And I have 3 pages. How do you add pages? That's all stuff you're going to be able to do. Okay? All right, there you have it.